How do you easily install an NVMe SSD in a tight PC case? Imagine upgrading your gaming PC and getting lightning-fast load times, but your case is so cramped you think it's impossible. Well, it's not. Installing an NVMe solid-state drive in a tight space can be straightforward if you follow a few simple steps. First, turn off your PC completely and unplug it from the power. Then, remove the side panel of your case to access the motherboard. Keep a small Phillips head screwdriver nearby because the tiny M2 screw can be easy to lose. Next, locate the M2 slot on your motherboard. It's usually near the PCI Express slots or close to the CPU socket. In tight cases, check if you have enough clearance to insert the drive at a slight angle, around 30 degrees. Hold the NVMe SSD by its edges, align the notched end with the slot, and gently insert it at that angle. You should feel it click or slide in smoothly. Once inserted, press the drive down flat against the motherboard. Use the tiny screw to secure it to the standoff or mounting point. Some motherboards have a clip or locking pin instead of a screw, so check your manual. If your case is super cramped, you might need to temporarily remove other components like the graphics card or cables to make room. A magnetic screwdriver can help prevent dropping screws into hard-to-reach spots. If your motherboard has multiple M2 slots, try to use the top one because it often supports full PCI Express for lanes, giving you maximum speed. If you have only one slot, just use that. Many NVMe drives generate heat during gaming, so if your motherboard has an M2 heatsink, remove any plastic backing from the thermal pad and attach it over the SSD. This helps keep the drive cool and maintains performance. After securing everything, replace the side panel and power on your PC. Enter the BIOS to confirm the drive is detected. In Windows, open Disk Management to initialize, partition, and format the drive. This process takes just a few minutes. Installing the NVMe drive properly means faster game load times and smoother gameplay. Managing space by temporarily removing components and using heatsinks when needed makes the process easier, even in a tight case. With patience and a gentle touch, you can upgrade your storage without a hassle.